Welcome back, dears. Today in chapter 5.1, measuring angles, we will define four words. The first one is degrees, so angles are measured in it. The second word that we have, it's the word protractor. Protractor, you can measure angles with a protractor. So it's the tool that we use. Look at it. It's like a type of ruler that we use in order to measure angles. So in here, as you can see in this figure, this angle for measuring it, we're going to put the protractor on it, which is this type of ruler, and then inside it starts with 0. Okay, as you can see, we have got two numbers, one inside and one outside. So the inside number, it's for the one that's open on the right side, and the outside, it's for the one that's open on the left side. So if the figure is like this, we would have started looking at outside on the left side, but as you can see, it's open on the right side. Now inside it, I count 0. We go 10 by 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, like this till here, and we reach how much? 120. So my angle, it's 120, which is an obtuse angle. Also, dear students, be careful when you put the protractor on the angle that we have. Be careful to put it on the vertex. What is the vertex? As you can see, the dot here, which is y, this will be the vertex of the angle. Okay, now the other word that we will define today is adjacent. Okay, two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex. So adjacent angles are these angles that they have got a common vertex, which we talked about it right now. This is the vertex that's common between them, and also separated by a common ray. Also, they have a ray that's common between them. So here, it's like two neighbors, this part and this one. Those two will be adjacent angles, and this is the common ray. That dot here, it's the common vertex. Okay, or it's like an open book. Whenever you open a book, there's a paper here, that one of the pages of the book, this will be the common ray, and the part here, the edge here of the book, will be the vertex, and those two, okay, will be the adjacent angles. The last word that we will define for this section, it will be congruent. So whenever we talked about congruent angles, we mean that the measures are exactly the same. What's the difference between same and congruent? So same, it's like when we use numbers. Let's say I say 90 is the same as 90. That means equal. But whenever I talk about the names of the angles, as you can see here, I use what? I use congruent. So I say angle 1 is congruent, and this is the sign of congruent, a wave with equal sign, with angle 2. As you can see, I use two different names. Okay, and that's it for this section.